China ramps up shipbuilding to boost car exports.
Before details, please subscribe our CIS News Studio 1s channel. News details.
China is accelerating its shipbuilding efforts to support surging car exports, constructing massive car transport vessels at record speed. The latest Ro-Ro ship, built in just 200 days, can carry 8,600 vehicles and is operated by a COSCO subsidiary. As China's automakers, including BYD and SAIC, expand globally, the country is ensuring stable shipping capacity through an independent fleet strategy. The ship, designed for LNG and marine fuel, will transport thousands of vehicles to major European ports. China's dominance in shipbuilding raises concerns in the U.S., but for Chinese manufacturers, it fuels global expansion and trade momentum.
Do not forget to subscribe our CIS News Studio 1s channel and click the bell button to receive updated news.